Welcome back. We're continuing the news. There's mounting pressure on the police and the government as the outcry against the Rastafarian teen's locks being cut while she was in police custody grows louder. As you'll hear in this report, it's not only local groups that are upset. From the Nyabingi tribe in Clarendon.
Is the police force still bent on this whole colonial and neo-colonial thing?
To the Rastafarians in Coral Garden, St. James.
We are upset, angry, and also fed up.
Rastafarians across Jamaica are livid about 19-year-old Rasta Nzinga Candice King's locks being cut while she was in police custody. Miss King was fined $6,000 or 10 days in lockup for disorderly conduct, which she says was a trumped-up charge, but was shocked when she was taken into custody at the Four Paths police station in Clarendon.
My ear catch up in one, so she asked me to remove my ear, to remove the sponge from my ear, let down my ear. Saw with her scissors in her hand. She started cutting my ear off.
The Rastas are frustrated, as they say after decades of talks with successive governments against discrimination, this latest incident is an indication that there has been no progress. Local human rights groups have also voiced concern about the allegations, but Ras Ivita Farai says there is now international outcry.
I'm getting calls from Ethiopia, South Africa, Chile, Ecuador, all over the globe. This thing has gone in global proportions right now. The world is angry. The world of Rastafari is angry, and concerned people who are lovers of justice angry about this. And you know what they're saying? How the hell Jamaica, who gave birth to this Rastafari, Livity, is doing this to Rastafari.
Last year, August, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of a school policy banning hairstyles, including locks. Also, last April, an elderly Rastafarian man's beard was shaved at the Linstead Public Hospital in St. Catherine without his approval. Pamela Rowe Williams of the Rastafari Coral Gardens Benevolent Society says this institutionalized discrimination against the Rastas continues despite negotiations and suggestions.
We have incidents of these things reoccurring at different points in time. And based on what we are recommending to the government, and now it underlines the fact that the government really needs to take our recommendation seriously, that a policy be set up against these forms of discrimination against the Rastafari.
As for the officer in question,
she should be taking her frontline duties pending the outcome of investigation, make sure we have everything correct, dotting all the I's, crossing the T's, and to ensure that if she wants to be a barber, she go open a barber salon.
In the meantime, the police commissioner has ordered that a team of investigators be dispatched to Clarendon to investigate the case. Indicom has also started their own investigation into the matter.